It's already been a long day. It's 4:30. I'm just getting on the road, heading to New York for my shoot tomorrow, which starts at 5:30 in the morning. The hardest part of doing this type of freelance work is always either working on the weekends, being on the road, but my wife is great. She got me this king size Kit Kat bar. Told me not to eat it in one sitting. We'll see how long this lasts. And I know I upset many of you eating a Kit Kat this way, but it's the most efficient way. Alright, update. It's been maybe 5 minutes after my last update. I got a little piece left. I'm going to save this piece. I didn't eat it all in one sitting, because technically that's true.
I know what to do. Where do we go from here? Don't let it rule you.
That's how every toll booth should be. Toll gantries at speed, no stopping. Keep moving. Good job, Delaware. Delaware's great. You got easy tolls, a great rest stop, Aubrey Plaza, and no taxes. What more could you ask for? So here's the predicament I found myself in. I have this phone clamp thing. You put your phone in, supposed to clamp it, you know, down. Supposed to clamp down on a thing to put your phone in. It keeps slipping off. It keeps slipping off of this dash. Plus, I want to mount my GoPro somewhere. And right now it's on a suction cup, which lasts about a minute and a half before it falls off.
Where do we go from here? Don't let it rule you.
This is the Delaware House. Been coming to this place for years. Easily the best rest stop on the I-95 corridor.
I picked a rainy day during rush hour for my first time in New York City on the boosted board. This is a terrible idea. Terrible idea.
My boosted board died. I can't connect the remote. So now it's just like a heavy skateboard with no brakes. I don't know where I'm going, but I think it's remotely this direction. It's actually not that bad without a remote, as long as you got a little bit of a hill going down, of course.
Approach it with completely fresh eyes and a new way to imagine space, light. Yeah, 20th century thoughts. And I think that's probably where we should first dig into the history of design.
B&H sells pre-filled sandbags. It's really expensive to ship them. So while I'm in the city, might as well pick them up. But I forgot I had to carry them to my car. Ugh.